my name is Desiree with WTI, and it's just about that time to start taking those summer vacations, and that's where this dress will come in handy. It is super comfortable, the material is amazing, and of course I loved what it said with sun, salt, and sand, and that's exactly where I'm going to be wearing this dress. Now it is a size small, and I would say it is very true to sizing. Sometimes these kind of dresses can fit me big right around the arms, but this one fits me perfect. And I love the length. Now I am on the petite side, so it fits me right above my knee, and for me, that is perfect when I'm out on vacation. What I also like about this dress is I feel like you could use it also as a swim cover up, so it could be something to wear fun or something to use when you have your bathing suit on and you want to cover up. So I love when a piece can be multifunctional. I cannot wait until this dress hits the beach in Florida. So if you're looking for that perfect multifunctional dress, then make sure to check this one out from Benzie. But that's just my point of view.